Welcome to MarineMax here in Kent Island, Maryland. Today we're going to go through a trade that we recently received. This is a 2023 Scout Boats 255 Dorado. This is a custom ordered boat for a good client of ours. And you'll see as we go inside a couple different changes that not a lot of Scout 255s out there will have. Custom engine decaling. These are twin 200 Mercury Dorados with Scout white accents along the sides. The interior, as you can see, is the deep cayenne. Hold up very well. Custom core in here. It's a Sandstorm. The gunmetal titanium JL audio speakers. Outboard flush system. You have a stern seat here and a portside seat on the other side. Bait well, fender pros along the side. Very easy to pop in and out those fenders. This boat's come with the bimini, so you can roll that back and get more sun or less if you would like. Up here at the helm, you got the Black Edson steering wheel, Mercury binnacle. This is a Optimus system, so joystick with these twin 200s. Great to have. You got Garmin display, Fusion stereo. This is an Optimus screen here. Glove compartment, Lenco trim tabs with indicators. Let's see what those are doing. You got your co-captain's chair here with a bolster that'll fold down. And then with the 255 Dorado, you do have your head and enough storage here for the covers. This boat does come with a full set of covers as well. And then up into the bow, this wave gate will fold down, and then this gate will close on windy days. It can block off the wind for your passengers. But of course, up here in the bow, armrests all the way around. One thing I love about this boat, see this curvature going around here? It's really like a little nook you can nestle yourself into. Maybe see it better on that side. But yeah, cushions are in great shape. Again, covered boat. This was kept in a high and dry indoor storage, very low hours. Up here, rod holder, cup holder combo, as well as anchor windlass and bow ladder. So again, this is a 2023 Scout 255 Dorado here at MarineMax Kent Island. My name is Perry. If you have any other questions, shoot me a text on my cell phone, 330-348-6916. Thanks. Have a great day.